Hello guys and happy good morning to all of you. And welcome to my channel guys. आज चाहिँ म यति मर्निङमा चाहिँ तपाईलाई किन भ्लग गर्दैछु भन्दा चाहिँ मेरो सेलो पढाएँ किन गर्दैछु भन्दा चाहिँ आज चाहिँ हाम्रो घरमा एकजना गेस्ट आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ अनि ड्याडी चाहिँ भर्खरै लिन जानुभएको छ अनि उहाँ को हुनुहुन्छ भनेर चाहिँ म एकछिनमा तपाईहरुलाई मेरो भिडियोबाट इन्ट्रोड्युस गराउँछु। अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ म यस्तो मर्निङ अर्ली मर्निङमा चाहिँ भिडियो बनाउँदै छु है। त्यो एभ्रीडे एक एकवटा भिडियो हालौँ बिदाको टाइमलाई युटिलाइज गरौँ भनेर मात्रै हो। त्यही हो गाइज हैन। लेट मी इन्ट्रोड्युस फर्स्ट माइसेल्फ साङ्गेडुल मुक्तमाङ एन्ड आम फ्रम चितवन। तपाईहरुले चाहिँ मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुभएको छैन भने प्लिज सब्स्क्राइब गरिदिनु होला अनि भिडियोजहरुमा सबमा लाइक एन्ड शेयर पनि गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला अनि कमेन्ट पनि ड्रप गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला। तपाईहरुले धेरै धेरै माया देखाउनु भएको छ, अझै धेरै माया देखाइदिनु होला है। मलाई चाहिँ कस्तो 2.5K भएको छ, मलाई चाहिँ चाँडै 5K बनाउनु मन छ कि एकदमै। अब अरू दिनमा चाहिँ म अब एभ्रीडे अब स्कुल कन्टेन्ट पनि हुन्थेन, तर अहिले चाहिँ म दसैँको बिदा छ नि त, त्यसैले एभ्रीडे भिडियो यतिकै हुन्छ नि, डेली भ्लग हालौँ भनेर मात्रै हो, अपडेट गराऊँ भनेर मात्रै हो हैन। सो मन पर्यो भने मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला। धेरै धेरै माया देखाउनु भएको छ, अझै देखाइदिनु होला सबैजनाले। अनि त्यही हो, अब अरू त म धेरै एक्सपेक्ट गर्दिनँ, भर्खर ग्रो हुँदैछ मेरो च्यानल। यस्तै गरेर माया गरिदिनु होला। अनि त्यही हो, अब अरू त खै के भन्नु र, यस्तै छ। अनि हेर्नु न यहाँ आज बारीमा हिजोतिर अस्तितिर त क्या यस्तो के कुहिरो हुन्छ नि, ऊ त्यो ट्री देख्नु भएको छ नि, त्यहाँसम्म पुरै देख्दैन कि। एक दिन म देखाउँछु हजुरहरूलाई। आज चाहिँ कस्तो वेदर क्लियर भएको छ कि, कस्तो फ्रेस भएको छ मर्निङमा उठ्दाखेरि गाइज है। हुन त म मर्निङमै उठ्छु, तर आजभोलि चाहिँ म अलि लाइभहरू जान्दिनँ नि त, त्यसो भएर चाहिँ अलिक ढिलो नै हुन्छ। नभए आइएम अ भेरी अर्ली बर्ड है, आइएम अर्ली बर्ड। त्यही हो, अब ड्याडी चाहिँ गेस्टलाई लिनु जानुभएको छ। अहिले म तपाईँहरूलाई भिडियो देखाउँछु को आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ मेरो घरमा भनेर। अनि अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ यति नै। किप अन वाचिङ है गाइज, किप अन वाचिङ। मैले अघि हजुरहरूलाई भनेको थिएँ कोही आउँदै हुनुहुन्छ मेरो घरमा भनेर, भर्खरै आउनुभएको छ, तल हुनुहुन्छ। हजुरहरूलाई देखाउँछ है। I am waiting. Namaste. Welcome sir, namaste. Welcome.
Hello,
namaste.
Last year. Oh. Patay cha. Oh, I sent you. Okay. Estimated. Baozu. Patay cha. Hey, you have a good Ramro Siriman.
Siriman
have a Ramro Sirimati. And also you have a Ramro Chori.
Thank you sir, thank you.
Right. I'm also happy. Yeah. And you're the Matan first. Like a mirror chola.
Hey, yeah.
And Ramro. And he is very helpful. Very nice young man.
अहिले मेरो घरमा चाहिँ इरिक सर आउनु भएको छ है।
Narahari Kandel. Do you know Narahari Kandel?
Hari Kandel.
You met him before?
I heard. Not met.
He's the first one I met. I think 1993 or 94. After graduate from university, and then 2-year compulsory military service. Then after before that, I also received down. I think that down.
ड्याडीले चाहिँ एन्ड म चाहिँ भिडियो खिच्दैछु गाइज है। सबैजनाले एकदमै राम्रोसँग चाहिँ भिडियोलाई सुन्नु होला है अन्तिमसम्म है. Okay, let's start our interview. Are you ready, sir? Listen.
Oh, whatever.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Namaste, yeah.
Okay.
Namaste.
Great pleasure to have you here at my home.
Is-
And I've got some few questions to be asked. That has been
Okay.
more and more curious to ask you.
Oh, okay, okay.
So the first question is, how many months or how many? And it might be months, right? How many months you have been
You
in
mean
Nepal?
this trip?
Yeah,
This trip,
yeah.
okay. So first, namaskar. And also, I'm so honored to meet my good friend Ram and also uncle, and to meet to the Chitawan, the beautiful family. Not only beautiful house, but most beautiful family. Ramro, Sinimati, Ramro Chori. And this time, I'm planning to stay 4.5 months. 4.5 months, and already stay 2 months since August 1st till now. And so,
Good.
yes.
Yeah, during your visit, did you feel any difficulty in Nepal?
No difficulty. I feel very strangely to say, I feel every people I meet, it seems like my long lost friend. Really, to be very honest, yeah. And like Matan, also Ram. Already we met in Taiwan. You're working busy that time, but then you join the Tao seminar, and after you come back, we get connection to Chitawan because of you. Thank you so much. Yeah, your beautiful family, uncle, and also the school. So actually, no difficult because I feel so much familiar. Maybe I long before I already born in Nepal, especially also in Panepa. Now we have a temple in Panepa.
So during this rainy season, do you feel any scary rather than Chitwan? Which I mean, I want the differences between Kathmandu and Chitwan. Have you found any differences?
Because this time I only stay in Kathmandu, okay. But to my surprise is that I encountered such a huge Panibolio, huge flood in the Kathmandu Valley, where my place is Panepa. Actually, nearby our temple, there is a river. Before it was the flow is not so big, very natural resources, beautiful. But that day, before that one day, September 28, I remember, and also 27 started to rain, and that,
Yeah.
but it rained non-stop, and then until the early morning, 28, thunderstorm, daily too low, and the lightning and the storm, and then when I wake up, I thought the rain normally stop if you rain overnight. But then that day continued, and the rain kept raining, and then I noticed the river get overflowed, and then the road we cannot go to the Gautam village, already disconnected due to the overflow. And to my surprise, that is, and then I said, something wrong, something wrong. And then after we read the news, all over Nepal, especially Kathmandu Valley, Kaple, a lot of disaster. Yep, like that. Beautiful home because you're a beautiful family. Okay, so and you do a lot. So last year I see you do many effort building. You also show me the second floor. It's just under construction, right? I see the worker coming in and out. But now everything neat. So I think everything. Just don't go build who stay outside.
Just to the
Whatever you want to enjoy the fruits, but first, of course, you have to put the effort. Without the effort, impossible to get the result.
So the last question I would like to ask you about you,
Oh,
your
me?
journey, about your journey.
Okay.
And then when you'll have a time to get back to your own country, when will you go?
When I go back, okay. This time I buy the one-way ticket. Because I don't know. Actually, my family, my sister actually suffering cancer. To be honestly, but now luckily she's stable. So I'm thinking I can utilize my visa for foreigner visa only 5 months. So up to December, middle December, it's about the time I'm ready to go back to Taiwan.
Okay. Nice to meet you. Expecting lot and lot from
Yeah.
enlightenment from you.
No,
And I hope-
that's only short sharing.
Yeah. And sharing your all that experiences
Yeah.
on your principles,
Totally.
morality
Mhm,
to the people of
Yeah.
this around this village.
Yeah.
And we are really supportive, highly supportive.
Good. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Thank you for invitation as well. Namaskar. And
Thank
also
you.
meeting
Thank
all
you.
the people. Namaskar.
Thank you, sister.
Namaskar.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ram. Thank you. Uncle, thank you so much.
But-
And also, Bao Zhu, Taneba. Also, the Ramli Choli.
Thank you. Oh,
The
thank you.
cameraman.
Thank you. Thank you.
Cameraman.
गुरुलाई पनि अब नेपाली सिकाउनु पऱ्यो नि त